have a tutorial on this makeup look. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, don't forget to subscribe and like this video and just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm starting off with Hoola Bronzer and a Morphe 573, and I'm just going to be putting that all in my crease. Actually, I changed the brush to a bigger blending brush just to kind of get the job done a little bit faster. And then I'm just going to take a darker brown and I'm going to focus that on my outer corner of my crease, and I'm just going to be blending that inwards. Then I'm just going to be taking a flat shading brush and I'm going to use that to do a little bit of a cut crease. It was so hard to record this, but it was just like a little cut crease that I did. That's how it turned out. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's not like supposed to be like cut crease. But then I'm just going to go in with the same blending brushes and blend out any concealer. And then I'm just going to do eyeliner, and it was really hard to do on camera, so I just showed a little bit of it. And then after eyeliner, I'm going to be taking these Ardell Falsies, and I just put those on. Next, I'm going to be taking my Anastasia foundation stick, and I'm just going to put that all over my face, and I'm going to blend it out with a Morphe flat top brush. So now what I'm doing is I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Sand, and I'm just putting that underneath my under eyes, and I'm going to be blending that out with a Beauty Blender.
Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright.
After everything's blended out, I'm just going to be setting my under eyes and kind of all around my face with the Coty Airspun powder.
Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright.
Finish it all up, I'm going to put a little bit of some highlighter in the inner corners and a little bit on the lid from the Carly Bible palette. And then I'm going to go in with the two brown colors I showed in the Yes Please palette by ColourPop. And I'm just going to be blending that all over my under eye. And right here what I'm taking is my Hoola Bronzer, and I'm just going to be bronzing up my cheekbones, forehead, jawbone, my whole face. So this is the finished look. I went ahead and I used Naked by Kylie, and then I just used this clear lip gloss from Victoria's Secret. I really love it. So that is pretty much the entire look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.